visual signals, writing, or behavior. Ito yung kahit wala tayong sabihin na ibibigay ang mensahe. There's a hidden message. Okay, humor kasi is fun, a part of a fun and healthy workplace. Totoo po yun. Totoo yun. Tutunan pa paano makipag-interact with your customers eh. And you need to be creative. Ang Pilipino customer, tandaan po nyo, sa selling, ito ay gusto lagi ay exage ang ibibigay mo sa kanya. Pag sinabi ni customer, paiyakin mo ko. Hindi lang basta palulungkotin eh. Parang ang dating may namatayan. At pag sinabi ni customer, bigyan mo ko ng discount. Ang gagawin mo, bibigyan mo yun ng freebie.
Kumanal theory.
Okay, kumunal. Sige, ma'am!
Same din po.
Kung ano pong naiintindihan ko is communication is the best thing that you can pati acknowledgement at resolve.
Meron pong naging client ko na naging maganda po yung relationship natin sa kanila.
Alright guys, now we're done with our first session dito sa Smart Try Automatics. Dito lang to sa may Banaba West. At kakatapos lang ng mga activities na ginawa natin together with the discussion about business communications and how to improve your sales. And of course, how to negotiate systematically. Ngayon, ang client natin dito, walang iba, kundi yung mga employees and yung part ng marketing team and sales staff ng company. So, for this afternoon, ang gagawin naman natin yung ating activities in relation with the discussion this morning. So, magla-lunch muna kami ni Luis at mamaya na lang ulit. Thank you! Hi guys, ngayong hapon, we're done with our event dito sa Banaba West. So, business communication, systematic selling and negotiations ang naging topics natin. Now, okay naman yung naging outcomes or kinalabasan ng ating seminar for today. Nag-enjoy sila, nag-enjoy din ako, nagkaroon ng sharing, and of course, ang higit sa lahat, nakapag-iwan tayo ng magandang impression at lesson sa mga taong umattend ngayon. Kaya, sana dun sa mga future clients pa namin, huwag kayong mapagod manood, maniwala at magtiwala, at higit sa lahat, sumampalataya. And this is Coach Jay. Bye for now.